Là où on a trouvé votre nom. C'était quelque chose de rajouté plus tard, vous savez pas?
Non, elle existait.
D'accord.
Il y avait des plaques, etc.
D'accord.
Ouais. Mais les choses me revient, la toile, le plafond qui a des dalles,
Ouais.
c'est moi qui les avais posées.
D'accord.
C'est des dalles en polystyrène, c'est ça?
Oui, c'est ça.
Ouais, c'est ça.
On en trouve. Ouais.
Ouais. C'était l'époque où on faisait une isolation avec ça.
D'accord.
Par contre, ça. Mais comme le plafond était figuré partout, on a préféré de coller des dalles.
Ok. D'accord.
Si ça me revient sur un mur, je vois la pièce, ça me revient.
Ok. D'accord. On va passer dans la pièce d'à côté.
Oui. Ah, c'était donc la cuisine ici.
Oui,
l'école de cuisine.
Exactement.
Ouais.
Ouais. Il y avait ça. Donc là, en fait, ils ont muré la cheminée.
Oh,
et ouais, c'est dommage.
Par contre, à mon époque, elle n'était pas murée.
Il y avait encore la cheminée.
Ah, il y avait une cheminée.
D'accord, ok, ça marche. On a retrouvé le manteau, les restes du manteau du coup en marbre, mais voilà, la cheminée n'est pas là.
Parce que je signais toujours derrière un papier.
D'accord.
Derrière une tapisserie,
ouais.
mais jamais sur une peinture.
D'accord. Ok. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, check this out. What he just said. You know, to put these little nails, he was using a hammer, and he was sliding the hammer on the glass. So what I was doing is correct. So people who were saying, "Why are you doing this?" It's the traditional method. Et donc du coup, en fait, je reviens sur ces panneaux. Donc en fait, en gros, il montait cette partie-là, et après il mettait l'angle et il le collait, c'est ça?
Oui. Vous voyez non,
c'est le volet.
Oui, il y avait une encoche qui collait pour plaquer, pour serrer tous les trucs. Et puis ça s'échuyait pour rejoindre les deux bois. On mettait des chevilles là, en bois. Il y a le bois descend jusqu'en bas, là, à peu près jusqu'ici. Et puis il mettait une cheville en bois pour coller les deux.
Donc en fait, en gros, avec un peu de chance, quoique là, non, on ne le voit pas. Là.
Les pointes n'existaient pas.
Ouais, d'accord. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, so we met a very special person. It's a man who was doing some works, woodworks and painting in the chateau in the 70s and 80s. We found his name on a wall. He said that when he was fixing something or doing something, he was always putting his name. And so we managed to find his contact, and so he came to see us. So he told us many interesting things about like shutters when they were painted for the last time, what kind of paint, what did he use to put glasses, because he was doing windows also. He doesn't do them anymore. Well, finally, useful things that, like very useful things, because for sure it's always interesting to hear from people who are doing. Oh, Babur, he is barking. I am here now in my van and Babur is nearby. So, he told us that to put nails in the glasses, how he was sliding the hammer, exactly the same way that I was doing so. So, he told us several interesting things. Main thing that we remember is the one that the putty that you put in the glasses, it was linen seed mixed with chalk. Then these wooden panels are assembled by gluing. So there is a special glue that holds them. So you just need to remove the angle, the corner, in aim to remove everything. Hello ladies and gentlemen, we are back in the garage where we will finish the ground. So that's what we will do now. We will put the reinforcement, then we will concrete, and then we will wait. For the moment we prepared those holes that need to be filled. So we just put the primer. We broke everything that was not attached using a hammer, I don't know, like perforator, big one, 12 kilos. So now I'll just prepare the reinforcements, put them, fix them, and we will concrete. Let's see. Okay, so here it's quite shallow, the depth. That's why I'll reinforce with this one. Not everywhere, just in some places like this one. Let me show you how does this work. You use a hook for this, you pull a hook, it twists. So when I want to attach, for example, I want to attach these two, I will do like this. I'll put this like this. And then just like this. Until it's well attached. Now it's okay for me. This one I will hide. So now I will do a concrete. It will be a mix of various concretes. Like here I need to put some more or less heavy but with fine fraction of sand, and there I'll just put normal one, and everywhere I think I will add fiber. Ladies and gentlemen, so today we filled all the holes in the slab of the workshop, and finally, you know, it took us a day. It was difficult. I thought that it will be like, I don't know, 3-4 bags, but finally, how much did we use? Maybe 20 or something. You know, it was seeming so small, but finally it's quite big. But we did it. Now Nicola, he's unloading bricks for here. But then our next step is the chateau. We got a trouble today. It was noticed by one of our followers. There were 2 people who passed through the fence and tried to enter the chateau. Finally, they got scared by the dog, so they went away. But, you know, there was a problem because people enter, and, you know, for sure people who enter, it's not just to take a picture with the place, you know. So we need to see this. Well, see you soon.